Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. How are you all doing? Greetings to you all. I hope this video is meeting you all in good health. So thank you so much. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to Vivian Recipe. What we do here is cooking. I try to create video twice or once a week, depends on how busy I am. So in today's recipe, relax, let me show you how I make this very easy, yummy, tempting breakfast. Okay guys, so first thing, I will start by deboning my fish. Okay guys, I'm going to separate the bone from the fish. So we are preparing the filling, guys. This is the filling. Okay, so I'm using fish, egg, and also some shredded carrots. So now I'm going to transfer the egg and the fish in this bigger bowl. So I just added the carrot as well. So the next thing, I'll be adding some mayonnaise, which is optional. This mayonnaise, you can replace it with Greek yogurt, you can replace it with avocado. So I will also add a little bit of ketchup. Then I'm going to mix everything together. So it's well mixed now. So the next step, I just brought out some slicing bread. Yeah. So I will be taking out the edges of the bread. Okay, guys. So I'm going to flatten the bread. Then I will add my filling. Like so. So I'm going to use fake to seal up the mouth. You have to be careful, okay? Gently, like so. Yeah, like so. So I'm going to continue the same process until I'm done with all the slicing bread. So the next step, I'm going to break some raw egg. in a plate. Then I will just mix it like so. So now, yeah, I will be putting it one by one inside the mixed egg, then transfer to my bread, yeah, my bread crumb, as you can see, like so. Yeah, like so. So I'm done. So the next step is to fry this. Just fry in a medium heat. Few minutes, you flip it over. Here we have the first batch ready and looking yummy and tempting. Guys, do you know that my kids was asking me, Mommy, what is it made of? It's very delicious. It's very yummy. Guys, this is worth trying. I bet you are going to fall in love with this. Please let me know what you think about this very recipe. Leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. God bless you all so much. I appreciate all the love and support. May God continue to bless you all. Thank you for always coming back. Please share, guys, and leave your comment. See you soon in another video. Bye.